Yuantuo Induction keeps every slab at the right temperature, precisely and reliably. Designed for slab reheating and temperature equalizing before rolling. This system uses advanced medium-frequency induction technology for fast, stable, and precise heating. Power range: 1 to 12 megawatts. Units can run individually or in parallel, supporting 40 to 300 tons per hour. Independent multi-axis feeding ensures smooth transport. Infrared sensors with PLC closed-loop control maintain constant temperature. The smart control system monitors power, speed, and temperature in real time, automatically adjusting output and recording process data for continuous stable operation. Yuantuo's induction heating systems have been widely applied in Russia, Central Asia, and other regions. Yuantuo Induction, powering global steel production with precision and trust.